Struggling to practice English without a partner? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to practice English alone.
This video walks you through clear, effective steps to improve your English speaking alone. Watch till the end as Arjun and Meera share practical tips you can start using today. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more smart learning strategies. Let's get started. Hey Meera, I'm going crazy here. I've been Googling stuff like how to practice English speaking alone, practice English speaking, learn English, and how to speak English fluently without a partner for hours now.
What's the problem?
I keep finding the same generic advice everywhere. Talk to yourself, use apps, watch movies. But how exactly? Nobody gives me actual steps I can follow, you know?
Oh, I get it. Yeah, most online advice is pretty complex, to be honest. But hey, you actually can get better at speaking English alone. There are real ways to practice English speaking and learn English effectively by yourself. I did it myself.
Really? How?
Well, first thing, don't just say I'll practice English today or I'll learn English.
That's way too vague. Be specific. Like, today I'll practice English speaking about my weekend plans for 3 minutes, or something like that.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Yeah, and then start with warming up your voice. I know it sounds weird, but
Warming up? Like what?
start with tongue twisters.
Oh god, I hate tongue twisters. But fine, if it helps. But before that, tell me, why should I do this? And how this helped me speak English fluently?
Tongue twisters are like a workout for your mouth. They make your pronunciation clearer. They help you get comfortable with tricky sounds, so words come out more smoothly.
If you practice them every day, you'll notice your English gets faster and more fluent.
Oh, I get it.
Then comes the fun part, shadowing.
Shadowing? What's that?
You take any audio, like a TED Talk or even a YouTube video. Listen to one sentence, pause it, and repeat exactly what they said. Copy their accent, rhythm, everything.
That actually sounds doable. But wait, here's my biggest problem. How do I know if I'm making mistakes? Like, if nobody's there to correct me, how will I even know?
Oh, good question. Okay, so here's what I used to do.
Yeah?
First, record yourself speaking about something. Then find a native speaker talking about the same topic online and compare. You'll notice the differences.
Interesting.
Also, use your phone's voice typing. You know, like Google Docs or whatever. If it can't understand what you're saying, your pronunciation probably needs work.
Oh wow, that's actually smart. Never thought of that.
Right? And keep a little notebook for mistakes. When you catch yourself saying something wrong, write it down and practice the correct version like 5 times.
Okay. What else?
Oh, and there are these pronunciation tools online. Just search IPA English pronunciation or use Youglish. It shows you how real people say words.
Okay then, what after shadowing?
Then record yourself. Pick any random topic, like
What did you have for breakfast? And just talk for a minute or two, then listen back.
Ugh, I hate listening to my own voice though.
yeah, everyone does. But it's the only way to catch your mistakes, trust me.
Alright, fine. What's next?
Mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and just talk. Watch your mouth, smile naturally, make eye contact with yourself.
That sounds so awkward.
It is at first, but it really builds confidence. Oh, and here's something I still do. Narrate everything I'm doing.
What do you mean?
Like, when I'm cooking, I'll say,
Now I'm chopping onions. Next, I need to heat the oil. Just talk to yourself about whatever you're doing.
Haha, people will think I'm crazy.
Who cares? It's your house. And it really helps you think in English instead of translating from Hindi or whatever.
True. What if I want to challenge myself more?
Set a timer, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and just talk non-stop about any topic.
That sounds terrifying.
It is. But that's the point. Start with easy topics like describe your room or talk about your favorite food.
Okay, this all sounds good, but can you give me like a proper routine? I need structure or I'll never stick to it.
sure, so maybe 30 minutes total.
Start with 5 minutes of warming up and tongue twisters, then 10 minutes of shadowing. That's the most important part. Then record yourself for 5 minutes, do mirror practice or self talk for another 5, and finish with a timed fluency drill.
Wait, let me write this down. Warm up, shadowing, recording, mirror practice, timed speaking. Got it.
Exactly. And honestly, even if you only do 15 minutes a day, you'll see a huge difference in a month.
Really?
Yeah. Consistency is way more important than doing long sessions once in a while.
This is actually really helpful. So, the main keywords people search for are like practice English speaking, learn English, practice English speaking alone, self talk English, shadowing technique, mirror practice, record yourself English, all that stuff.
Yep. And solo speaking exercises, timed fluency drills, speak English fluently alone. Oh, and IELTS speaking practice alone, that's a big one.
Perfect! Mira, you're a lifesaver. I'm literally going to start tonight. Thank you so much.
I hope this conversation helps you improve your English. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who truly looking to enhance their English communication skills. I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.